Okay, what I'm going to do is, with very little commentary, I'm going to go ahead and do another one for you that's just going to show all of it in order. So again, just lining up. This has a distinct bottom in my fabric, so I'm going to start down there about a third of the way out. Adding my elastic. Going over that elastic a couple times just to reinforce it. Again, it's a weak spot. Looks like I cut those fabric a little bit wonky. It will be fine. Again, adding in elastic. And because it is wonky, I'm going to do it off the top fabric there. Oops, too soon. Kind of glad this is going to get turned around, so you won't see that. And again, leaving an opening so that we can turn it over. And then we'll bring this around. Hopefully that will work. Let's see. Somewhat, it's a little bit, but anyway, turning it inside out, pulling. I have to give some credit to these YouTubers that do this so much better than I do. I feel like they probably have a stand or something to hold their phone or camera to make this easier. Okay, so turning it around and then making sure that edge is nice. And then we're just going to iron it. Oh, iron's cold again. So when I do this and I'm making a lot of them, I do it kind of in an assembly line where I've got everything cut. So then I'll do the sewing bit and then just pile them on the ironing board and then turn them all out at the same time and then iron them all at the same time and go back for top stitching and pleating. I just like to pull this so we get maximum size out of our mask. Get those edges nice and crisp. Okay. And then we're coming back to do our top stitch. And again, just about 1/8 of an inch. Little stick there. Ooh. I'm going to do my pleats my way just because I've gotten used to them now, and it's just a little bit quicker. So again, just 3 little pleats, line up my edges. Whoopsie, that's not so good. Take that stitch out. All right, and then I'm just gonna lower the presser foot at about 3/8 of an inch and go across the pleats. Just turn it around. Just kind of line them up as best as you can on each side. Get your 3 pleats. Again, 3/8 of an inch and stitching across. And then just find the center of your top, and I like the penguins, so I'm going to have the penguins, or oh my goodness, flamingos. I'll be all right. Just straight stitch down just about to the top of the little flamingo's head there. I don't know how well you can see, there's a lot of glare. Oh. Again, stitching is just to there, and open it up and pop this bad boy down. And I know I'm eyeballing a lot of this. I would say it's about 1/2 inch that I've got here. Again, just at the 1/8 mark that's on my presser foot. There's a lot of fabric to get through, so my machine's not loving me. And come back over. 1/8 on the other side. That was a little bit crazy, but it did the job. Next we'll come down to the bottom and just find like the 1/3 on each side, and we'll just do a little pleat here. Again, and the same on this side. Was a bit longer than I wanted, but it's still going. Actually, turned out to be pretty close. And there it is, one full mask, and it took about 9 minutes. With camera moving and stuff like that, I think that that's pretty quick. You can make your own little mask in less than 10 minutes. Thanks for following. Okay, so you get to see all my messes. All right, so this is lined up on the nose. It's a little bit snug in here, right across. There's a tiny little gap there, but when this little box pleat isn't there, it's actually kind of more tented all the way out, and that area is quite much larger. And then down here, you can see there's no air that can escape or come in right here because it's against the skin. Well, I mean, air still goes through, but it's decreasing the amount that goes. And then you've got closure on the sides, or close contact with the skin on the sides, which again minimizes the amount of air that's coming in. So that's it. That's the mask. I have all these little threads to cut off, and thanks for watching. Okay, guys. So there's a concern about people using the fabric masks and not taking them off and putting them on correctly to avoid any further contamination. So I'm going to show you how to do this to minimize contamination. Sanitize your hands either with hand sanitizer or wash with soap and water before putting it on. Hold it by the elastics, and you're going to loop it on one ear take it across your nose and chin, and then loop it onto the other ear. This, again, you've got nice seal on the sides. You can adjust with the elastics, and voila, that's putting it on. When you're taking it off, oh, what did I do with it? I had it here 2 seconds ago. Huh. All right, well, found it. Okay. Plastic baggie. I'm done using the mask. It's a one-time use mask. Have a baggie. To take it off, you're going to just take the elastic from one ear, take it across, elastic from the other ear, and then it's going directly into the baggie, and trying not to touch the fabric at all. Put it into the baggie, seal it, put it with your laundry. When you're ready to launder it, you're going to open it up, the baggie, obviously, and put it into the wash. As soon as you're done, wash your hands. Soap and water, 20 seconds. Hope that's helpful. Thank you.